Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add someone to a private Slack channel. Slack is an amazing tool for workplace communication, and private channels can be invaluable for keeping your conversations secure and among a select group. Exalting collaboration within these channels means, at times, adding new members. So let's dive right into it. Before we begin, it's worth noting that Slack continues to evolve with new updates, so the interface might look slightly different depending on the version your organization uses. However, the steps remain almost identical across platforms, whether you're using Slack on desktop, web, or mobile. This tutorial is designed to be beginner-friendly, so even if you're new to Slack, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, locate the private channel you'd like to update. Head over to your Slack sidebar, which is typically on the left side of your screen, and look for the channel you want to work with. A quick tip here, private channels are easily recognizable by the lock icon next to their names. Go ahead and click on your chosen channel to open it. Next, you need to access the channel details, which will provide you with more information about the channel and the options available to you. At the very top of the conversation window in the center, you'll notice the channel name again. Clicking on this will open up a Channel Details panel on the right side of your screen. Once you have the Channel Details panel open, it's time to find the Members tab, which contains information about the current members in the channel. Look over to the right panel and find this tab. It'll help you manage who has access to the conversations in the channel. Before adding someone, it's important to remember that only channel admins or members with the correct permissions can add new users to private channels. If you don't see the option, your workspace owner or admin may have restricted this feature. This is especially common in larger organizations where privacy and security policies are more tightly controlled. Now, here comes the exciting part, adding new people. You'll see a button that says either Add People or Add People to Channel Name. Click this button, and you're well on your way to welcoming new contributors to your private discussion space. In the window that pops up, you'll find a search bar. This is where you enter the name or email address of the person you're aiming to add to the channel. Start typing, and Slack will conveniently suggest potential matches in a drop-down list. This efficiency is one of the many user-friendly features that make Slack a beloved communication tool. You can select multiple people if you need to add more than one new member. Just choose the individuals you want from the drop-down suggestions. The final step is to confirm your selection. At the bottom of this window, there's another Add button. By clicking this, you'll finalize the addition of your selected members to the channel. And that's it. You've successfully added someone to your private Slack channel, allowing them to join in on the discussions and contribute to your team's projects. Keeping your channels organized and up to date is key to maintaining effective communication within your team. Before we wrap up, here's a pro tip. If your organization works with external collaborators, like freelancers, agencies, or contractors, you can also use Slack Connect to securely communicate with people outside your company. It works similarly, but requires approval from both organizations. This can be incredibly useful for cross-company teamwork. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and comment below with any Slack features you'd like me to cover in future videos.